Tired of boring PowerPoint slides? Want to create stunning and professional presentations? Try these 3 hacks. By the end of this video, you'll be designing slides like a pro. So let's get started. Hack number 1. Morph Transition, smooth animations. Instead of using basic slide transitions, try the Morph Transition for smooth object movement between slides. Go to Transitions, select Morph, and watch the magic happen. Trust me, this will impress your audience. Hack number 2. SmartArt Graphics. Bullet points can be boring. Instead, turn them into beautiful visuals using SmartArt. How to convert bullet points to SmartArt. Click on the text box that contains the bullet points you want to convert. Go to the Home tab. Find the Convert to SmartArt button in the paragraph group. Click on it and choose a SmartArt style from the drop-down menu. Now your slides will look modern and visually appealing. Hack number 3. Remove image backgrounds. Ever needed a transparent image for your presentation? No problem. How to remove background in PowerPoint. Select an image. Click Remove Background under the Picture Format tab. Adjust the selection and click Keep Changes. This trick is perfect for adding professional-looking images to your slides. That's it. 3 simple hacks to instantly level up your PowerPoint presentations. Which hack did you like the most? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to Shalu Verma classes for more amazing tech tutorials. Share this with your friends and help them create amazing presentations. See you in the next video.